Hello guys, you're welcome to my space. Okay, this is Son of Man, and this is Great Videos in Pixel on Pixel on YouTube. Most of you must have seen this design online, and you might be wondering how I was able to create this design. So I'm going to be teaching us how I create this flyer design using pixelLab today on this video. So let's get started. So first of all, I am going to create a new workspace, okay, and get the read of the new text I have on my screen. And after that, if you observe very well, you see that the design that we are trying to recreate is 1 by 1 dimensional design. It's a square in shape, okay? So we are going to create a workspace that is in the same dimension of square, okay? Which is what we have now. So after this now, I'm going to go and turn this off so that we are not going to be seeing it. Okay, I'm going to go back to my background to go to color, and then I'm going to choose white color for this, okay, for this particular video. Okay, the next thing I need to do is to start building my background. So here I'm going to go and then get the images I need to use to build my backgrounds, and then I will start doing it. Now I will crop it into the square shape, okay, so that it will fit into the workspace I have created. Now after this, I'm going to go here and then lock it so that I won't be moving this around. Then after this one, then I'll start working on other things like import the image I'm going to use for this design, which is the primary image of course. So I'm going to go to my eraser, and then I'll have it here, okay, and I will expand it to fit into the workspace position I want it to be, okay. Now after this, I will go ahead and make some adjustments with the filters, okay, and I'm going to reduce the saturation a little, okay, not too much, a little, okay, reduce the brightness a little, then I'm going to increase my contrast, so just a little, okay. After this, I'm check okay, and I can go ahead and lock it as well. So this is another step. Then I'm going to import my flowers, and then it's all about how you arrange this graphics element is what makes it unique and clean, okay. I'm going to import my flower here, and I'm going to position this one this way, okay. Here, this one is going to be here, okay, and then I'll make a copy of it, okay, something like this, okay. Okay, send it to the back right behind this image, okay. You're going to lock it as well, and then make a copy of it finally, and then drag it here, position it somewhere here, and also take it to the back of this image. Then after this, we're going to put in our text, okay. Now I'm going to go to my text, go to my new text, edit it, and then put my birthday day, okay. So this is it, okay. Now I'm going to go to my fonts, okay, go to my font. So this is the font that I use for this design. For those of you that have asked me several times what the font that you use for this design, so this is the font that I use, okay. This is the font that I use, that is Heavenly Christmas font, that's the name of the font. So I'm going to tap on it and then set okay. Now I'm going to expand it to fit into the size that I've used it before, okay. After this, I'm going to send it to the back, just right behind this flower, okay. Then I'm going to make sure it is still selected. I'll go to color, I'll go to gradient. Now for gradient, let's just go and flip it this way, okay. Now for gradient, we're having two color combinations. So for the first one, we're going to be choosing sorry, we're going to be choosing red color. Okay, increase it here. So that's okay. Now we're going to tap OK. Now for the other part, we are going to be choosing green color. I don't know what I was thinking when I was creating this, so but I think it makes sense at the end of the day. So the color combination is not bad for me. I don't know, but for this particular design, it's not bad. So I use the combination of red and the green. Okay, so this is it, and I'm not sure it's perfect, but you can understand what I'm doing. Okay, and then I will just reposition it more. Yeah, something like this. Now I'm going to check OK. Then after this, I'm going to make a copy of this as well, and then edit it into happy. Okay. Well, okay. And reduce the size, and I'll drag it here. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go to the color. I will just make it black. Okay. Now I think they are looking good. They are almost getting there. We are getting there. Okay. I'm going to go and lock it. As well, lock the birthday. Okay. I'm going to unlock this one so that I can readjust it. Okay. Now that. Okay. Okay, it was like this. Okay, so this is it, what we have at the end of the day. So finally, we are going to do one more last thing. We are going to light our camera gear. Yes. Okay, and here we have it. Okay, because I still remember I did this one. So yeah, like this, I reduce it, and I'm going to drag it here. It was here, I position it. So here I'm going to go to my background and then go to my gradient, choose the same color, but this time I'm going to make sure that I reduce the opacity here for this color, and then reduce the opacity here for this color too as well. So just like that, we are good. Okay, so after that, I'm going to check OK. Then I'll go to my color and I will use just white color. Okay, not bad. Okay, even though the color is not looking too sharp for me because it's not exactly what I got in the main design, but you can try the gradient and play around with the wheels and see what you get at the end of the day. So after this, I'll go back and then lock it. Okay, I think with this we have gotten a kind of a replica of what I created that you saw yesterday or a day before yesterday. So this is how I created the design. So one more last thing I think I didn't do here in this design is that I didn't add the lightning effect, right? Yes, I didn't do the lightning effect. I didn't do this on pixelLab. I did it on Let's Flex. Okay, if you want to watch video on how to add lightning on your design, okay, in case if that's what actually pops into looking at this particular video, you can. I have created a video before on how to add lightning on your design on anything. Okay, you can actually learn how to create a lightning effect on your design. Go check it out. I'll drop the link of that video in the description. Go into the description and check out the video on how to do that. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I'm still Son of Man. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video content like this. Thank you. Goodbye.